How to draw the Yellow Sprunki, step by step. Hey, what is going on everyone? So for the first step of drawing our Yellow Sprunki, we're going to begin by drawing the hair towards the top center of the page. And if you're new to the channel, then welcome. We regularly upload step-by-step drawing tutorials just like this one, so if you're looking for a new place to draw, you're in the right spot. Nice start! Now let's go ahead and draw a circle attached to the hair that we just drew. The circle that we draw will be the outline of our Yellow Sprunki's head. Fantastic! Next, we're going to go ahead and draw the antennas of our Sprunki, beginning on the left-hand side. For each one, we're going to draw a circle with two lines attached to it, connecting it to the head. Be sure to pause or rewind the video if you ever need an additional moment. And if you are enjoying today's video so far, then be sure to give this a big like by hitting the thumbs up button right below. Well done! So far this is a great start. Next, we're going to go ahead and draw ears of our Yellow Sprunki on the left and right hand side of the head by making triangular shapes. So as of right now, we have the outline of the head drawn, along with the ears and the antennas. For the next step, we're going to want to move to the inside of the face, which is the circle that we previously drew together, and we're going to begin to draw the eyes by making two circles that are very similar in size. Now, on the inside of each of the circles for the eyes that we previously drew, we're going to draw the pupils. On the inside, we're going to draw a simple curved line with a large circle attached to it, and on the inside of each of the circles that we draw, we will fill in completely black. And keep in mind that at the very end of today's video, I'll show a picture of my drawing completely colored in. In just a few moments, we will color in the pupils completely black, but first, let's draw two small curved lines above each one of the eyes to make the eyebrows. Down below the eyes, we will draw the mouth by drawing another simple curved line, which will look similar to a smile because it will be facing upward. Great! Now let's go right below the head of our Yellow Sprunki. We're going to go ahead and draw the lower body, which will be connected to the head. Now last but not least, let's go ahead and color in the pupils of the eyes, which we mentioned just a few moments ago. This is how to draw the Yellow Sprunki. Thank you for watching Learn How to Draw Hub, and I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget that if you enjoyed today's video, then be sure to give this video a big like by hitting the thumbs up button right below. And if you want to see more videos just like this, be sure to subscribe to join the Learn How to Draw Hub community because regularly upload step-by-step drawing tutorials just like this one. Great job today, and thank you for drawing with me. See you next time. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.